Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Stock Market Fever. Today is Friday, April 22nd, and the stock market was smacked down today with the Dow plummeting almost 1,000 points in a single session. Today, the Dow plummeted to close at 33,811 for a loss of over 900 points. Losses were attributed to widespread fear of an aggressive Federal Reserve Board stance in fighting inflation with rapid interest rate increases. On Thursday, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell stated that the central bank is committed to hiking rates expeditiously to reduce inflation. Quote, "It's absolutely essential to restore price stability," Powell explained. As prices grow at their quickest rate in more than 40 years, this might entail a 50 basis point interest rate hike in May, this following record-setting inflation throughout the U.S. Although U.S. companies are more able to cover their interest payments now than before the pandemic, there is much concern that consumers will have less discretionary money to spend due to a combination of increased payments for fuel, food, and other necessities, and fear of an almost unavoidable recession following interest rate increases. The market was broadly down across almost all sectors, with only utilities seeming to be relatively unscathed. Notable names leading the downsurge were Apple, losing over $4 per share to close just over $161. Amazon was down $78 per share and down another $8 on top of that after the close to finish at $28.78. And even Google was down $78 per share ahead of its expected earnings report announcement next week. This nervousness ahead of earnings can be understood in light of the wicked market takedown of Netflix earlier this week after reporting a loss of subscriber base and predicting a further loss of over 2 million subscribers moving forward. And amongst this bear day wipeout, one might wonder if there are any prospects that might be oversold and perhaps represent good buy-the-dip opportunities. Motley Fool makes that argument today in favor of Nividia and advanced micro devices. Nividia is down over 100 points year-to-date, finishing today at 195. Motley Fool writer Adam Spataco notes that while the company has received target price downgrades this month due to concerns that chip demand might wane as a result of cryptocurrency weakness, that Nividia has actually repositioned its income to other lucrative sources that continue to grow regardless of crypto, such as gaming and data centers. And with regards to advanced micro devices, the stock is down 38% year-to-date, but Spataco observes that, quote, "Despite near-term headwinds in computer graphics, investors should realize that AMD doubled its data center revenue year-over-year for the year ended December 25th, 2021. But what do you think? Do you think the market is oversold due to rising interest rate worries? Or do you think the bloodletting has just begun? And do you think that either advanced micro devices or Nividia represent good buy-the-dip opportunities and are well positioned for going positive from here? Please leave your thoughts and comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And be sure to subscribe to Stock Market Fever to get future actionable stock market news, analysis, and alerts.